Let's learn how the sphere ends. We've crocheted the penultimate loop here. Leave the yarn longer. Then disconnect. Pull the wire directly out of the coil. Then thread the needle. Direction of the first needle, from outside to inside. Insert the needle from the outer half. You don't need to pull it tightly here. Then empty one stitch to the next stitch. Direction of the needle, thread from the inside out. Empty stitch to the next stitch. Direction is from the outside in, or pick the outer half needle and thread it out. Next loop to the last stitch. Okay. It can be tightened. Pull slowly. When we stuffed cotton, the cotton in this place can be stuffed a little less. Otherwise, it will be easy to be too tight. When pulling, it should be done slowly. Don't pull hard at once. Otherwise, the yarn will break easily. Pull it a little tighter. Just close it like this. Then hide the thread now. You come through here. Then put this thread into the stitches. Then you disconnect, and you're done.